Sky Vibe for the week of September 14th. Hey, Leo! Financial shakeups will rock your world unless you keep your cool and listen to good advice. This Monday and Tuesday, when revolutionary Uranus struggles with conservative Saturn, old and new come to a head. Protect finances by keeping cool and using protective instincts. By Wednesday and Thursday, tend to details, whether reviewing investments or making a major purchase. Strong and rational Virgo will help you make sound choices. And now, Leo, are you ready for your weekend fun? A new start enabling increased earning power will be something to celebrate. You might enjoy a new item that adds value to your home, or toast to the fact that you've made it through this wild week. Whew. So, Leo, relax with your star realities and make every week happen the way you want it to. I'm Shannon Day. Remember to check back soon for your weekly Sky Vibe.